show on the road. I've got it installed, which you're not going to be able to see. Sorry for the poor lighting. But anyway, it's in there. There's a speaker. There it is right there, okay? Sorry about the lighting. Anyway, I've hooked up the antenna. I've hooked up the 2 power leads. So this is what it was all about, trying to make these 2 signal wires work with that particular motor setup. I've got the, this is beautiful, by the way. It looks very original. The only thing is it doesn't have the bullet end antenna here, which I don't really care. That's not that big a deal to me. The fact that this fits nice and flush and it's clean and not cracked. This acorn nut was all screwed up on mine, and all the rubber was all worn out and crappy looking like this. All this stuff here, and this thing is hard, and I don't know how well it's sealing. The one thing I haven't done, here's the main problem. The acorn nut was trashed in the accident, so I might be able to fabricate something along here, maybe make this whole thing out of plastic. I don't know. But it doesn't matter, that's for future. This is the current antenna we're running with. So, let's try it out. Power accessory. Radio on, antenna down. Here goes the antenna up.
I still want it. I believe everyone deserves to drive a nicer, newer car. So dump that pumpkin.
Okay, turn that down. And she comes back down. And it's nice and long like the original too. That's the thing I noticed on a lot of the aftermarket antennas was they were like 30 inches. This thing's like 40. That's kind of cool. So anyway, it works great. The only thing I have to do is I just trial fitted it with the bent up metal bracket. I made a bracket that went like that, then up, then over, and then down. I had to do that in order to make the bottom mount of that antenna bolt to one of the holes there for it, you know. It wasn't that big of a deal. I kept everything kind of loosey-goosey to get it all fit in there nice. I just measured it side by side to the existing one, make sure that it seemed like about the right amount of fit, and it worked out perfect, no problem. I got to hook up the drain tube. I didn't hook up the drain tube to it yet because I was just testing fitment, and I want to make sure everything worked. But there you go. So it looks good, all back online again. I love it. All I got to do is take a closer look at it on the outside. There you go. How's that? Nice brand new antenna. I love it. All right, that's it, guys. I'm not going to post any more on this. I know I probably have bored some people with this obsession about an antenna and all the videos to get there, but that's just my way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope to do some more videos later. Bye.